So now I'm going to explain the different handlings that you can do with inverse. This is going to be divided in 4 parts because there are 4 different handlings. And the first one is one of my favorite because it's so deceptive and so clean to the spectators. This is what a peak should look like, so let's get into it. The spectator draws something, and yes, you have to make sure you have in this case, if you are going to use your own business cards, you have to need to have a white part. It doesn't need to be white, but they must have a part where they can draw or they can write. In this case, I'm going to draw here because we have here a white part that's good to draw. And I'm going to draw a sun. Okay, so this is the part the magician doesn't see. And what I have here in my own business card, in this case the G-Magic business cards, it's also like a gimmick deck, because it has this. It has the gimmick, and what we did here, we cut about half. It's a little bit less than half. I don't know how much amount of business cards are here, but it is more than 25 for sure. So I cut in the middle, more or less on the middle. I place some business cards like on the top. The flap goes here, and that's the way I did it. And I only have to be careful the way I handle the business card. But because of this mark, the G-Magic here, I know when I receive the business card, I need to place the business card like this. And when I turn over, because I see the G-Magic, it's now on my left side, I know the drawing is here. So, and this is very clean. You only need to place this more or less on the top part of this. You can place it in the middle, but the most, if you place it near to the top, it will be clear when you look down to try to see what they have drawn. So you place it, and I only need to place this on the table. And the reason we use the rubber band, first of all, it's like a convincer, because if you have something that is completely, you cannot move, the spectator don't believe you can see anything. And another reason, it's you can place it this without being afraid of flashing the gimmick, because if you don't have this may happen. Okay, this is a flap, so this is a little bit harder to place it carefully, or you can do it, of course, like this, but I prefer placing the rubber band like so. And now everything is okay. So I'm looking to the drawing, and I completely see the sun. I'm going to try to place it so you can see also. I don't know if you can see, but if you want to try this, just to try it, and if you don't want to do it with your own business cards, you can try with playing cards. All magicians have decks that are already used, and they are on the shell, and you can place, and you can try making this gimmick and try by yourself and see if it is something that you like or not.